Hi friends, welcome to International Maths Olympiad videos, Standard 10th, video number 101, Statistics, Section C Achiever, toughest one. Let's start. The median of the following data, this is a data table, is 525. Find the missing frequencies if there are 100 observations in the data, means total observations are 100. First, understand the basics. What is a median? When you arrange these these intervals, this is x and this is f. Always remember, in any statistics problem, you have to first search for f and x. Which is f and which is x? Frequency is always f, and the class interval or the other figure given is always x, right? So this is x. So arrange x serially. Then what you get at the center is center or the central class is the median. And what is the number of observations? If you add all these frequencies, then the total observations which you get is the total number of observations, means 100. So you have to find a cumulative frequency for this. Cumulative means go on adding. So see this, 0 to 100, 100 to 20, I have arranged it. Then frequencies are given. Now we will find cumulative frequency. So 2 as 2 over here. Here it will be 5 plus 2, 7. Here f1 plus 7. Here 12 plus 7 plus f1. So 19 plus f1. Here 17 plus 19. 36 plus f1. Here 20 plus 36. So 56 plus f1. Here 56 plus f1 plus f2. Here 9 plus 56. 65 plus f1 plus f2. Then 72 plus f1 plus f2, and last 76 plus f1 plus f2. So this is the cumulative frequency at the end, means total number of frequencies, total frequencies which are added up comes to this. But what is given? There are 100 observations, right? So 76 plus f1 plus f2 will be equal to 100. So add them and solve them. F1 plus F2 equals to, so bring on this side 24. So this is equation number 1. Now median is given as 525. So it will lie in which interval? See this, 525 lies where? It will lie in 500 to 600. So this is the median interval. Now we have to work on this only, 500 to 600. Formula for median is L plus in bracket n upon 2 minus Cf upon f. F is for n upon 2 minus Cf whole, bracket close, into h. Okay. So what all is given, just write the figures. Median is 525. L is what? The last digit of the earlier frequency, means 500 to 600 is the required one. So last digit of the earlier interval, that is 500. So L is 500. Then n upon 2, n we have already found out, it's given that 100. So n upon 2 is 50. Minus Cf. Now Cf is up to means not even including that class interval which is in question. So we are working on this 500 to 600. So Cf will be earlier than that, means up to 400 to 500. That much Cf cumulative frequency we have to take. So 36 plus f1. So it is 36 plus f1 upon f. F is the frequency of the required interval. So 500 to 600 is the required interval. So f is 20. Okay. Into h. H is the difference. So that is same for all. 100. 0 to 100. 100 to 20. 100 to 200. 200 to 300. It's the same. So now just input the values. So 525 equals to 500 plus in bracket 50 minus 36 plus f1 the whole upon 20 into 100. So solve it. 25 equals to 14 minus f1 into 100 upon 20. This you will get after solving. You tried yourself. Remove the take 100 common and take everything what all you can. Okay. Then 25 equals to 14 minus f1 into 5. So 5 equals to 14 minus f1. So f1 equals to 14 minus 5, 9. So now we got f1. Substitute the value in 1. So 1 is this, f1 plus f2 24. So 9 plus f2 24. So f2 equals to 15. So both the figures are we have received. We wanted that only, f1 and f2. Okay. Next is fill in the blanks. For a given data with 110 observations, the less than OGIV and more than OGIV intersect at 18, 20. Then the median of the data is. So here there is a separate explanatory video of mine on this topic. How to draw less than OGIV, more than OGIV and find the median. So we won't waste our time over here. Kindly follow that video. I'll just give you the hint over here. The abscissa of intersection of less than OGIV and more than OGIV gives the median of the grouped class data. Means what? Abscissa means what? X coordinate. So X coordinate of the intersection, that is 18. So median will be 18. Because if we go on proving all this less than OGIV, more than, drawing that, intersecting, it will take almost 10 minutes. So it will be a waste of time, and I have already explained it. So no need to waste the time on that. Next, the curve is drawn. By taking upper limit of the class interval along x-axis and cumulative frequency along the y-axis is dash than the OGIV. It should be curve drawn, not curve is drawn. Okay. So is dash than the OGIV. So what I taking? Upper limit class. So I have again taken the same thing in the OGIV video, less than and more than OGIV, which I discussed earlier. So follow that. See here, just a hint. Less than OGIV is drawn by taking the upper limit of the class interval along the x-axis and the corresponding less than cumulative frequencies along the y-axis. So upper limit were taken, less than OGIV. So this answer is less than. Okay. Next, the mean of 50 numbers is 18. The new mean will be dash if each observation is increased by 4. Now don't go for these 50 numbers. Let's take an example of 3. 1, 2, 3. These are the 3 numbers. Mean is what? 2. Mean means average. 1 plus 2 plus 3 upon 3. That is 2. Okay. So each is increased by 4. Okay. So what happens? 5, 6, 7. Right. These are the numbers. New numbers increased by 4. So mean is what now? 5 plus 6 plus 7 upon 3. So mean is 6. So new mean is what? 6. Okay. So how is it? How do you get 6 and a relationship between 6 and 2? So increase by 4. So if each number is increased by 4, mean also increases by 4. So similarly over here, 50 numbers, mean 18, each is increased by 4. So mean will increase by 4. So mean will be 18 plus 4, 22. Okay. Next one. The mean of 7 consecutive natural numbers is 20. Then the largest number is dash and smallest number is dash. Okay. First understand this. Consecutive natural. Natural means starting from 1. Consecutive means difference is 1. Okay. So you don't need this in this problem, but you must understand the basics first. Okay. So let the numbers be x, x plus 1, x plus 2, x plus 3, x plus 4, x plus 5 and x plus 6. It will be up to x plus 6 only because 7 numbers and x is already taken. So x plus 6 will be the last number. Now mean is what? Add all the numbers, divide by 7. So add all these upon 7 equals to 20. So it becomes 7x plus total of this is 21 equals to 7 on the other side 140. So 7x equals to 21 on other side, 7x equals to 119, x equals to 17, right? And 119 upon 7, 17. So smallest number you got, that is 17. Highest is what? X plus 6. So 17 plus 6, 23. That is the required answer. 17 and 23. Download Yuva Guru app from Play Store to get these videos, tests, question banks with explanations directly on your mobile. Get 500 plus questions with explanations and case studies on your PC. It's a separate paid version. Follow us on Facebook on this link. WhatsApp us on this number for any query related to purchases. Also, learn tables up to 30, squares up to 30 and cubes up to 15 by heart. We have separate videos for them. Sing behind those videos on a daily basis and you'll learn them within 3 months. Remember, these tables, squares, cubes are useful for you throughout your life for various competitive exams. So, keep studying, keep watching. Thanks.